Concentration.
Uncle Brian live behind the checkers there.
Oh.
The Uncle Brian that don't go see Granddaddy. Granddaddy lives straight down the street right here.
Why you not go see him?
I don't know why they don't want to see him. One Haitian restaurant over here, so we're really good. Diamond used to do here right over there, so can't last right there, so. That's the Publix warehouse right down there that I told you I wanted to work at.
Oh yeah.
Cause the big boy them we used to have money in the high school over there, so them they get job. Drive forklift at night time and come school at daytime. Shutters the movie. Aunt I's kitchen was right there. Them close it down, it's empty. In that corner there when you walk in. So yo, this whole time I'm filming, the microphone was not on.
Oh, let's get some B-roll footage.
Don't go nowhere near them pepper shrimp, it's not good.
We don't even waste my time ever again with that.
And it didn't spoil. Remember?
If it's not fresh, from
Yo, get me one of them coconut water there too. We need one.
Only pepper
you'll
shrimp
get
I
the
like.
sour drinks there.
Me wash off my heart. My heart.
Your art.
Yeah, I need some coconut water to wash off my heart. 100% coconut water straight from the coconut to the bottle. Yeah. Me not lie, Dutch pot, that's the only thing that disappoint me with. The pepper shrimp there, that could have stayed. The pepper shrimp, they have some mold that grow up on it. And true, we live so far from here, we couldn't seal it back through your window. So we have to dash it in the garbage at the house. But now do no more of your pepper shrimps. If you got sick out. Seafood must be kept at a certain temperature and a certain way stored. Because you were sick. So thank God for Melbourne seafood because they never sick me yet. Sometimes when I eat the food and it tastes suspect.
Is your diaper
Dutch
full
pot
again?
original juices.
Stand up. Is your diaper full?
The amount of commercial me do for Dutch pot.
You about to have a whole ad.
Bro, I think I need to contact Dutch pot.
You do a food review.
Contact Dutch pot corporate. Cause we always do a commercial for them. Original juices. Hey Dutch pot, we don't have no dark skinned people who can do no commercial them. Everybody red.
Bro, that.
Original juices, red girl. Dutch pot, red girl.
The light on her makes
Potato
her
pudding,
look
red
white.
girl. I think I the same original juices that.
It is the same thing.
And then they have a black man working there back watching. Jesus Christ. We make the thing go through. Let me turn the camera off him because he might not be here legally.
Oh, yo.
And you know they're cracking down hard in Florida.
That's
So you have to hold it down. Nobody might know what dip on your camera.
That's crazy.
Feel like you call ice for me. I wish I know you say all.
No, you can't look what they on it. Look on the side them. They have the sorrel drink them on it.
Don't do it. Babe, see juice them there.
Okay, yes. That means
Them have fruit punch, them have...
I'm getting a free punch too. Ain't care if they have beef patties, I'm gonna get 2 of them.
okay.
Them have fruit punch, them have sorrel, them have Irish moss, lemonade. Them have quite a few.
They did have something else.
So wait, they will shot the other food around there, so?
Yes, yes.
Oh. Today's special is potato salad. Today's special is jerk chicken pasta. Today's special is jerk chicken pasta. Jerk chicken pasta and potato salad. See menu there, people. We're at that spot going through. This was my vision for jerkies. So Dutch pot is?
Yeah.
This is my vision for jerkies, and Mom could have done it too.
She had
Not
like
a
the
soul can cook up there.
She had a clientele. She had a very good.
Yeah, she could have done it too. Here's the thing. We have a whole bunch of little small restaurants all over Florida, like Jamaican restaurants. But me didn't want to see something big and nice, you know, in a nice big building. And Dutch Pot does that. Every location of Dutch Pot is nice.
Yes.
It look classy. It look like somewhere you can point to and proud. You know what I say?
Out of many, one pot. And that's their slogan, you know.
Out of many, one pot.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, see that? Dutch pot, out of many, one pot.
Out of many, one pot. Dutch Pot Jamaican restaurant.
Where's that?
Out of many, one people is Jamaican.
Motto. Excited. Forget my teeth them started. I just gotta call one more place now, and that's the place on I reach out to them and not even need say it, so they need answer back till later. See it there? MySmileFace.com.
Yeah.
They're located in Orlando. See, then say braces are always $2,998, and we offer awesome financing. Pan that.
That's not bad.
Before insurance. So if you have insurance, it will be even less. And this includes everything: your exam, your x-rays, putting on your braces, all appointments, getting the braces off, and a set of retainers. You don't need no more explanation than that.
It's a deal.
So now gonna see me with braces soon, eye and mouth. I hope it doesn't mess up the way I talk, cause
It is for a while.
big up to Cargo. Remember when Cargo didn't get him braces in, he sound like Daffy Duck.
Especially
Some
Mike Tyson.
sauce and your mama sussy ho.
if they put the lasket band on the side of your teeth.
Yeah, I feel I got some.
Ooh, yeah.
They're gonna have you sound like knockoff Mike Tyson.
Yeah.
After a while, I get used to it though.
Money sauce, money sauce, morning sauce.
Morning sauce.
Morning sauce. We're going to be in the morning sauce.
Imagine.
When I put on my braces here,
Me can't see.
Soso TV.
Toso TV,
Soso TV.
Soso in morning sauce.
Bro, sound like he Italian. Soso TV.
Soso, welcome back to Soso TV, everybody. It's morning sauce.
Morning sauce.
Your host with the most.
Do you know that?
Look, can't laugh after me, go on. Be just fine.
What is funky?
I always say the man they call in and I say,
What is the funky? I
He
can't
didn't call and say something about how people watch you and make comments about how then say we travel a lot and staying in different places and with your family and all that, and so we must be rich. So me say perception is reality. You know, like people have a perception of you, then watch a couple of videos of you and then feel like, say, you know, they have a thing made up of you.
They make up your mind of what your life is.
Yeah. If them say 10 suffering video in a road, then them know say you're broke and homeless. Just like how me used to do. Morning thoughts in our car.
I said they say you know live.
But I used to do morning thoughts in the car. Then even when me talk to Queen Africa say, a long time me I watch you, you know. Let me show you how long me I watch you. I watch it from the background, it fuck up. Yeah, big up to Queen Africa, dog. Queen Africa. Queen Africa, not easy. Queen Africa say, yeah, a long time me I watch you. I'm telling you, show you how long me I watch you. Me I watch it from your background, it fuck up until it come down to where you start to talk to it. Start look decent now. I said, what the fuck? Wow. The background did fuck up. She just raw.
Bro.
She just raw with it.
Alright, so.
I never fuck up with it, fuck up. Me didn't know what to do. Me did just start YouTube and me never know what to do. Then somebody just say, yo, it better start than not start. And then I try to figure out, I'm gonna do this perfect, I'm gonna do that perfect. That's my advice to anybody who wanna do it. And also, just do it. If you start fuck up like Queen Africa say, you will fix it sooner or later. You see it?
I'm tired of seeing your background also now.
Just go with it. The one that I have now?
Yes.
Yeah, it get tired now.
Already they plan out how me will drag down all of the same thing them from up there and change it.
So, it get tired now.
Yeah.
For true. You know, so the other man me nearly drag it down and just go down a white background.
Alright, so.
Or grab the Jamaican flag and turn it back sideways across there.
I seen somebody's background that have a setup similar to yours. And I was like, I'm going to steal it. And that's exactly what I did. I went on Amazon and I looked for every single thing we see up there. And I found it. Yeah.
Well, yeah. But, I mean, you have to keep the thing entertaining, I guess, right? Because people get bored easily.
Yes.
I'm pretty sure. Wait, is this not where you order?
I thought you ordered over here.
Yeah.
Well,
Hold on your window.
I needed space anyway. He's trying to bring the thing up.
Bruh.
Hey, say hello.
See, hold on. We got food from Dutch Pot. Everybody stop talk. Nobody not talk to each other no more. It's quiet in here. We have to turn on the radio.
Alright, so.
Cause him eat film food one whole patty before him eat film food. But I ain't gonna hold him. Man's just hungry. I don't have nothing to say. So I'm gonna stop the video. And yam the food though. Finally got the formula right because the sorrel used to be so strong.
So sweet.
Had to dilute the sorrel with a bottle of water before you drink it. Now, when I tasted this today, they must have took consideration for people I said, cause now the sorrel just right. Yeah. It actually tastes refreshing. Before it used to taste like diabetes.
I am out the bun.
But Dutch Pot is consistent.
Every single time.
Yeah. Every time you go there, you get good food. Every time. That's a big statement that in a man. Just the mac and cheese is a no for me.
And the pepper shrimp.
Cause it's dry. And the pepper shrimp because we had pepper shrimp there before and brought it home and it had mold growing on it. I don't know, babe. Usually we wouldn't even look, you know. We would just eat, you know. Yeah, but I true you look that there.
Me look and me smell it. Like, this is not how pepper shrimp normally smell.
Saying.
I mean, no seafood. Me love seafood. So I'm just like, okay, something is off. And me start look funny. Mold.
Have mold on the pepper shrimp. As soon as I looked at it, I saw it.
I'm being put out when they have a 9 months and I think.
So never again.
Yeah, we don't play with seafood though.
I don't play with seafood. I eat seafood, but I eat veggies.
You don't eat spicy seafood, Papa?
You're a veggies man, Papa.
I eat fruits.
Oh. In America, them fry plantain is very different from in Jamaica.
Very, very different. This is more African
I eat
fry plantain.
Our Spanish people fry plantain.
Daddy,
This is not.
Yes, Papa.
I eat tomato. I also just some.
And you're eating fried chicken now, Papa.
Nah, lie. I'm gonna come Miami. I'm gonna see people. Life is really a journey, man. Cause me ride up and down all over the place here with bicycle, walk and catch a bus, all these things. Pretty much did my growing up in the same area. When I come Miami now, we can actually see. Like when I see people are walking in the rain, cause they don't have no car, or stand up a bus stop and get wet, or push pram in the rain, or like you can tell so some people have life rough. It just put me back in another mind frame there of those days. But me not live them days there no more, so it's a cycle. If you're going through it, just hold on. And keep on, do your thing. Okay. Dump it around there. Yeah, babe?
Can I get a water?
I'm gonna have to go buy one. Give me a minute. This battery I got done right now anyway, so I'm gonna turn this off.
There's no restaurant near me.
My son never fails. Every year. Look, we out here in Miami. We trying to get some gas so we could go back home. I drove all the way down here for a dental appointment. I'll come get some food and them kind of something there. Ross, you see them lighting in there? You okay, mommy? Nothing to be scared of. The birthday girl is up. Should I drink water? Hi, Munchie. Munch, look.
Because you just take out a piece
Oh.
and hand it. Because I don't want her with a fork.
Bro, just give her. Well,
Yeah, here he is.
You said take
give
out.
her the leg.
You said take out a piece and give
Yeah,
it to
like, but like the little leg would have been.
the leg is.
Pass that back, please. It's easier for her to manage, and your mom can help her break it down. That's yours, mommy.
Here it is.
It's my door. It's yours. Nom, 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 nom.
Woo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Milani. Happy birthday to you. Hi, gorgeous. Hi, beautiful. Hi, princess. Oh, I love you. Oh. Well, mommy is 3 years old today. 3, you know. Cause it wait, man. Come on from the water, man.
Right.
Come on, too.
Come on, bro.
You must think I joke. No, come on, bro, nothing.
Dad, I think the gas is ready.
Yeah. Let's try to find one cup to get some water out of.
I get water.
Can't drink out of plate. Yeah.
I get water for it.
I'm gonna have to go back and re-inspect the tape. See if it
No, Mommy, I don't want to go.
if he sucked on the bottle.
Mommy, I don't want to go.
You don't want to go.
Let me tell you what I got this morning. Cosy didn't brush his teeth properly this morning, and I have a phobia about people with dirty mouth. I'm actually down here at a dental appointment, okay? I have a phobia with people with dirty mouth. So if you don't take care of your mouth, like floss, and take the big old cheesecake and macaroni pie salad off of your teeth, them.
Scrape your tongue.
Yeah, and scrape your tongue.
Floss.
Then me and you we can't in the sharing of nothing, sir.
Minnie Mouse.
So I know somebody gonna say, but that's your son. I don't give a damn.
Me not even like we eat for Melania and kind pluck eat a much.
I don't give a damn.
Just like, no.
I didn't realize I was recording. Wow. It's pouring down rain out here, but not only that. Some lightning and thunder lick.
It never fails. Every single year on Melania's birthday.
Does it get wet, mommy? You laughing at me? Little birthday girl, she in her little birthday outfit. She woke up this morning. Look at her. All cutie. All cutie.
Makai, sit down. You're in everyone's face. With our chicken.
Happy birthday to you.
We're about to go.
To you? Let's go home so we could go cut your cake, mommy.
Do you want cake?
You want to cut your cake?
Yes.
She got a chicken leg in her hand. She love food. Like our mama. Really?
I literally yapped when I was pregnant.
Yeah, Melania not partial. She does eat anything. Spicy, good to go.
Like how she said there's a baby in my belly day before yesterday, and I said no, I rebuke you in the name of Jesus. Close your mouth.
She said baby in your belly.
Say lock your mouth. You remember when Kai did the look between your legs and me used to push him down?
Auntie Cutie said.
Yeah, Auntie Cutie was like, yeah, no matter if you push him down, the baby will be there.
Auntie Cutie said. I want next one to come. Now we tell her, baby.
I tell her not a baby to come.
And then what Melanie?
And Melanie. Then
Melanie was on her way.
Then there was two.
Auntie Yvette sent me.
And I got a prince.
Behold how good and how pleasant it is to brethren and brethren to dwell together in unity. Psalms 133, verse 1.
She has 70 Adventist, yeah. Nor Sabbath. What we did yesterday, last year, Minnie Mouse. We did Minnie Mouse stuff. At first, me ever see one green fire truck in
I was just about to say. I was
It's the
staring at it.
first time I ever seen a green fire truck. Why did they paint that fire truck green?
That don't make sense.
Oh, wow.
I mean, maybe at night you can see it better.
Yeah, fire trucks are normally red for me. I don't love to know what is the reason.
Because they're built different.
Why fire trucks are red? What is those whites?
Happy birthday, it's your birthday, mommy. Melania, it's your birthday. It's your birthday, Munchie. Alright, so we back home, man. We just went to, what's the place called again? Defy Gravity. We went to Defy Gravity where they do a bunch of jumping in the place.
Trampoline park.
Trampoline park, basically. Melanie had her way today. Drove all the way back here, did her thing. Now we're gonna go cut her cake and open her present over there. Right? And should I say we don't have a table? We don't have a dining table. Because baby elephant right here cracked the dining table, the glass table, and then said, oh, you had it long enough anyways.
I barely got any pressure on it, bro.
Yeah, I remember I cracked my mom's dining little center table that was glass, and I had to make sure I bought one back ASAP. I keep on my glasses, I feel comfortable. I don't wear glasses, but I keep it on.
The table was only
Need a lighter?
Yeah.
Up there, check.
You want to light down?
You know me can't reach up there.
Big old pussy there. So. No lighter? Really? Check the drawer. So you gonna open up Momo's gifts. Pop, it's your sister's day, it's your sister's day, it's your sister's day.
Yeah, mommy.
It rains every year on Melania's
We just
birthday.
got this. Like something. Also, you can get one birthday without
So what's in your bag, Pop?
Yeah, that.
Okay, that's in your bag.
Yes, that's for you, Becca.
Oh, and we went to Dutch Pot, which y'all see on the video. Look at her cake. Look at her cake. Ooh.
No. Wait.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha, cha, cha.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha, 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 cha.
Happy birthday, dear Lucky.
Cha, cha, cha.
Happy birthday to you. How old are you now?
Big woman.
How old are you now?
Big woman.
How old are you now? Happy birthday to you.
I'm 3 years old. You gonna help her? Help her, you gotta
Go,
help her.
go, go.
Big sister, help her.
Go, Papa, help her, help her, Papa.
Blow, mommy, blow.
Go, Papa.
You got it.
Blow, Pop. Hey, watch her before it fall backwards. Stand behind her, Jay, so her stool don't flip over.
Can I lick the bottom?
No,
What are you doing here? Oh.
So they don't burn people's hands.
Oh.
You don't do this, Mama.
La 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 la.
Put it in here, buddy.
Alright, bro.
Alright, let me put about this right here.
No, you have to finish cutting it. Okay. Molly's been right here, Mommy. Kai, don't tell her.
No.
She already said, oh, no, not all the way. Big sister helped her.
Here. I'm gonna go this way with it. Do it. Pull it this way like this.
You cutting your cake, mommy?
You slide it.
Alright, I'll do it. You
Bro, that's how she hugged me. She goes,
You can start.
She's getting all the love in the hug.
No, mommy.
Oh,
If she
yeah.
trembles
Let's
when
go
she
to
sees me,
this
she goes,
one.
you gonna open your gifts, mama?
There you go.
Y'all gotta help her.
Yay! It's a Mickey Mouse book, mommy.
Look at that shit.
There you go, bud. Keep going.
Oh. Here, let's go to the
Keep
next. Go to the next.
What you got over here?
Mickey Mouse.
Jumbo coloring
No,
and
no.
activity.
Keep going, Bugga.
There's
Mickey
more.
Mouse stuff for writing.
Yeah, mommy. She got Morning Stars and Education Workbook.
So much.
You got some princess markers. What else did you get?
Help her pull them up. Since y'all want to be here all night. Sharpeners.
And the pencils for the sharpeners. You
Can never
got,
find sharpeners in this house ever.
Counting the numbers.
and you
I
got
want
your
sharpeners.
who's first words.
Jake, can you pick this up?
Sideways.
You forgot to get sharpeners for my birthday, Mommy.
to share for everybody.
Yeah. Oh, you can only
all
do
right.
one, like this one. One for me.
And this one. The black me camera.
No.
Yeah, you gotta.
Pop.
Pull it out. Oh
You
my God.
helping your sister? Help your sister.
Mommy.
Yay!
Oh. Hey, mommy.
Peppa.
It's Peppa Pig Doctor.
big Peppa
Now you
Pig.
can be a doctor. Look.
Check-up case set.
I remember Nani got one like that, but hers was Doc McStuffins.
Yeah.
She just won. Alright, are you ready for your next gift? Peppa Pig, but now she has a big Peppa Pig. Molly just has a small Peppa Pig. This one's huge.
That was a big Peppa Pig. She has a small Peppa Pig already.
Mommy. Pull it
Yeah,
out.
but now I have a small one and a big one.
What you got there, mommy?
A makeup kit. Oh, right.
What you got there?
Makeup.
Girls makeup kit. Oh my God.
Makeup in.
Already good.
I swear.
Good.
Better start early. Kelly,
Yeah, you would say that.
She's already in my stuff. So I got her own.
Makes sense.
Good one. Wow. Wow, we gotta open it.
Yeah, open it, mommy.
We
Open
gotta
it.
open it. We gotta open
Oh, mommy, look at your makeup kit.
That's actually nice. Yeah.
My open it more. Open it.
Oh.
We have 1, 2, 3. 2
I don't know how to
brushes.
open the rest.
There's something on the side.
Yeah, there's a whole bunch of stuff on the side and on the top.
Because you want that.
Look at that, look at that. And it comes with a whole bunch of other stuff too.
Oh, wow.
Jewelry.
Oh, a tiara.
Jewel.
You ready to open your last gifts?
Come.
Oh, let me see that.
That big.
Yeah.
And then the last one, mommy.
Mommy. They're both of them.
Aww.
And look,
A
this can help
baby.
you change her and feed her.
Hey, Kai, I can't run no dollar running in the water.
You got a massive
Oh, look at this.
Gotta open it up.
Then you got some wet wipes, you got lotion,
Oh, baby.
you got baby powder. You got baby powder. Yeah, you like the baby?
Kind of look like you when you were a baby.
Yeah.
Me personally.
You'll play with it a little bit.
Open it.
That was good for a little bit, Mommy.
What was it, pasta?
Do but pig.
That's fine.
Nose. Look, you got your wet wipes. Nose. You got some wet wipes. Wet wipes. We got sugar. What is that? Wait, pasta, where's the back? What is that, Mommy? Wow, we got the baby. Look, you got some baby lotion, some wet wipes. You're gonna take good care of this baby, okay? Okay.
And this baby comes with other additional stuff. So she has a bath stuff, pram, stroller. She can grow into this doll actually. Yeah.
No, that's where you can lay the baby on to change her. Look. Milk. Yes, it is her milk, so she can eat. And then she has a little snuggle buddy, her little unicorn.
Oh, wow, look.
And she even has a diaper.
I'm strangling the baby.
Oh, this feels fuzzy.
Oh,
I can't see new camera.
Put his headband on.
look. Woo! And she got a pacifier. She got a
Here, you
headband.
want to help feed
Like
it?
that. Bro, is that the one with the
That's
eyes
the
closed?
clipper, Mama knows.
Huh?
Do the eyes closed and open all?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Here.
It's a baby alive.
They scare me.
Because Nani used to have one, it would blink by itself.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Oh, God.
Because hers was, and her wasn't even battery operated.
I'll be a dolly.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Never liked those
That's
things.
Mommy.
You never know, man.
Put her pacifier
Nick
on.
always used to leave him in the weirdest spots too.
We got
She left one in our room. Yeah, on the dresser. And I was laying down on my laptop. And the
You
light
got it, mommy, you got it.
was shining out left on the dresser. The thing
a
was,
milk.
You feeding the baby some milk?
you know me, man.
Jesus Christ.
Are you gonna change her?
Drip her puffin or like puppy here? You know why you don't want to feed no baby no time soon.
You gonna change? You gonna lotion her? No, you can't open it, mommy. You want powder?
So it's been raining all day. Came back
You gonna open her card?
and it's raining still.
No.
Here, Mama, you
She didn't open the card.
your card, Mommy.
And there goes your card from August.
It says, celebrating the day the awesomeness began. Celebrating the one and only you. Happy birthday. See, JJ, you got Coco and Nika.
Now you
You
can
just
check
see
the
who's up
temperature.
here.
See, you can get the medicine. Look, when she needs it, you can
No,
get
you
a
just
shot.
in your special spot right now.
You got this also, Nico.
All I go on, you know.
Oh, you need help?
Tired, you know. I'm gonna fix her drink some white rum over there, so. Right there, so.
Oh, you got it.
So,
There you go.
see that?
Yeah, there you go. There you go.
A gallon of white rum.
Brooke said. Well, line this
Bro,
up.
look,
That's a shot.
it's been 2 years, man.
Don't fall back now.
2 years.
Yeah, she was 1 year old right here.
You ready for the shot?
But you know what's funny? When you show her this picture,
Give you a shot.
guess what she said?
What?
What she said?
She was pooping. The baby's pooping.
The baby's pooping. And if you look at her face, that's exactly how she used to look when she was. When she's pooping, she'll go like this.
She got another one over here too.
This one's a better angle.
Yeah.
Alright, here, mommy.
You got a better picture of her.
You want your cake, mommy?
She probably was pooping. You do look like she was pooping. She definitely looks like she was pooping.
She was 1 year old in this one.
Yeah.
She was 1. Thanks to me and my great photography and editing skills, you know, as that framed a very large one. Her sister is right there in her own large pic. I can't have a girl pick me and then treat one better than the other one, you know what I'm saying? So that's what it comes down to right there. Yeah. So that's my beautiful Nani. And then her sister is right there. My 2 girls picking them.
Just good.
One right there, one right there. I'll turn off a light again. Back in here we go. Some of them bulb here need changing, but the ceiling's so high.
Need a special ladder.
I need a special ladder to get up there to change the ceiling. Yo, when we were getting the house right, I was like, more a high ceiling. Alright, and we find high ceiling. And now we can't reach a high ceiling to change the bulb them when the bulb them go out. So I'm gonna have to invest in a ladder. God no, I'm not lie, I'm cheap, because the ladder I like $300 or something.
Yeah, this cake is actually.
Every time I see the ladder, I'm like,
I'll buy the ladder then.
can we find one for rent?
Risk it. Stack
The cake is good.
I told them to rent it from Home Depot.
The ladder?
Yeah.
I think that's what I'm gonna have to do.
You can rent ladders.
Yeah.
You can?
Yeah.
So good.
I told them that.
Mom has one.
That's this high? Whip it?
I mean, if Dak stands up there, yeah.
Oh, hell
Well,
no.
Oh.
Me not drop from up there somewhere.
No, you
No
don't need
one
one of
proper
them.
ladder.
Yeah, exactly.
You don't need one of them two
Can you hear
story
us? Here I know. When you're dropping on my age group, you see, it's a different kind of drop, brother.
You want cake, babe?
Hip broke, shoulder dislocated, all and something. Yeah, well, a piece,
Nah,
please.
Coach, threw a shot, man. He said he don't
Just
even
a
need
little
to
piece.
drop.
He said, I not even need to drop, I just broke up. Broke up for no reason. We're at that stage in life. What Cat Williams said, Cat Williams said he didn't do nothing. His whole body was in the cast. His homie was asking him what happened. He was like, I ain't did nothing, I just waved. I waved and I heard brrr on my rib cage, just brrr, broke all this.
Yeah, who's me?
That stage in life.
Wait, who's me? Who's we're getting to that stage?
What?
Who said we're? What do you mean by we're?
We, me, myself, and I.
Okay.
Yeah.
Don't wish that upon me.
Put it right here, mommy.
Oh, no, sorry. Together.
Huh?
You're sorry.
Cover up.
Soon.
Yeah, soon.
Soon looking forward.
You gotta change her diaper. Here is her diaper right here.
What's that? Mine, what's that, mommy?
I think what is this?
The temperature thermometer.
Oh, it's a thermometer.
Yeah, Evelyn,
Pepper thermometer.
It's a monitor.
Oh, well.
We got
And if you start
it. And we got a new one.
Cake is good.
So, what do we have? What do we have here? What do we have?
You're gonna have to put them on the couch, mommy.
Want me to put them on the couch for you, Munchie?
Yes.
Okay, let's put them on the couch.
I'm cake person with the frosting.
Hold for that.
Yes, I got shooty
Knock
sheep
it to the ground.
sugar. What is that?
Powder for your baby.
Try to make it to 15 minutes.
Come. We go. Pack up all the stuff. I'm putting it on the couch.
Go put it on the couch, mommy. On the couch. So it doesn't fall. Come. Oh, my Lord.
Come on, go to your
Take your
toilet.
sister down. Take your sister down and bring her to her car. How much you love? Oh, my God. Right there. Jesus. Little girl.
Here.
Mommy,
And the diaper.
Mommy,
Aw.
You want your cake?
we got a baby. And it goes. Nike then. And so got the baby. You know, Papa? We got the baby. And it got right here. And it got the diaper.
Alright, so I'm gonna end this video right here. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next video. I don't have any wise words to say now. I'll probably add a next piece to this or something. It's time to go unwind. Yeah, that way. This is how her birthday night ended.
veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la. And I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh.